It's not only just a drug and the tissues, there are many more dimensions in it. The whole world is a multi-dimensional world. The problem with science in 21st century is that in this multi-dimensional world, we are absolutely ignorant about many dimensions. And that's why in so many cases it works, yet in so many other cases it doesn't work. One of these dimensions is, in my opinion, the very important concept of genetics and proteomics. In so-called allopathy or Western medicine, as we call it, the major thing is that there's such a huge amount of literature in this area, and the interaction of these medicines with respect to the genetics of the gene structure, that has been investigated quite significantly. Now, in my opinion, maybe that in the decades to come, CCRH can take up the job of correlating the genetic information with the disease that you are having. In fact, we also work in some ways with Dr. Lothin Chakraborty in his chamber. Already there's a good laboratory which has been set up, and we have been investigating some of the very interesting things like spectroscopic analysis of different drugs for characterization, maybe the physico-chemical characterization. Incidentally, what happens is, so far as both Western and homeopathy medicines are concerned, people have very intensively investigated the physico-chemical characteristics. Like say that 3-volume book on homeopathy drugs, the complete drug characterization is so important for all of you. I think you have investigated the physico-chemical properties, the pharmacological properties, but then there are other things also, which in fact at IIT Kharagpur we have been investigating. That is very important. That is, what are the, other properties that is known as electromagnetic property. In fact, in Delhi, when Dr. Khurana, Dr. Manchanda, they had invited us, we had presented our own views on that, and I'm really very thankful to